run you over. Good job.
Oh, wow. Don't run you over, Mommy.
Come on. You gotta come get me.
Mommy, she got you. She's gonna drown you.
What are you doing? Are you walking around? Is that fun?
That's what I'm doing, walking around. Huh? He's wanting you, Mommy. Got you under cover.
Hi.
I don't get that. Don't get that. Don't get. Don't.
Are you getting him? You want to get him, huh?
And Mommy, it's because I said to take a picture anywhere is to press the off button and that together, and then I'll take a picture with.
Put her down, please.
Wherever you are.
I guess at least she's not trying to eat you today, huh?
You got Grammy though to say.
Hi. Hi, Kiki. Hi. She can do it. Let her do it on her own. Hi. Uh-oh, are you crashing? Uh-oh, are you coming to get me? Hi.
Mommy, go, run. You come and get.
Hi.
Honey, go.
Hi, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Take a picture now. Wait till she does.